Ready to learn more about the food delivery driver side hustle? Let's get started. Food delivery services are a popular way to make extra cash, especially if you own a car. The services make it easy for people to order groceries and various types of restaurant food online. And depending on which service you sign up with, you'll either be delivering groceries or hot or cold meals in your local area. Do you absolutely have to have a car to deliver food? No, but car delivery is more convenient and doesn't require physical exertion like biking or walking. One thing you might want to consider when deciding whether to get into this side hustle is how large of a community you live in. Large or medium-sized metropolitan areas offer more opportunities for food delivery than small cities and rural areas. However, if a small metro area includes one or more colleges or large employers, this can positively impact the number of orders available for delivery. Food delivery drivers are independent contractors. You are not an employee of the delivery company but an independent contractor who works whenever you want. This means you are responsible for paying taxes on all money earned when working with these services. You are also going to be responsible for gas expenses and making sure your vehicle is in good shape for driving. Download an app that helps you keep track of your mileage and gas expenses for each delivery, so you have this information for tax deduction purposes. A background check may be required. Be prepared to divulge certain personal information when you apply for a driver position, so that the company can screen you for a background check. Passing a background check ensures you are trustworthy enough to make deliveries to private homes and other locations on behalf of local businesses in the delivery service. In this video, we're going to talk about the 4 most popular nationwide food delivery driver jobs. There may be others in your community, and you can sign up with them in addition to the ones mentioned here. Driving for Instacart. At Instacart, you're not just a delivery driver but a full-fledged personal grocery shopper for customers who order through the app. Oftentimes, you are going to be picking up goods at a local supermarket. But the app can also include other types of shops such as Target, Walmart, CVS, and popular smaller shops around town. This means you have more opportunities to shop than you would with other apps that only deliver restaurant food. The average earnings for an Instacart delivery driver is between $11 an hour and $25 an hour. Your earnings depend on your location, number of orders during a shift, how long it takes you to shop, and driving distance. Instacart does have an instant cash out feature that allows you to withdraw money for a 50-cent processing fee. The app shows you how much money you can make up front, the store location and customer location. Be prepared to lift and carry heavy grocery bags to and from your car. Driving for Doordash. This food delivery app ranks at the top of the list for the amount of money you can potentially make. It offers a minimum base pay rate for each delivery in addition to promotions and tips. The average earnings per hour for delivery drivers is between $20 and $25. Orders for this app are higher at night and on the weekends, and the app encourages generous tipping. When orders come in, the app shows the pickup and drop-off locations and the total value of the order minus tips. Because the payouts are a flat rate, you may want to focus more on orders of higher value when there is a choice between higher and lower value orders. Its scheduling system can limit the number of drivers in an area at a given time, which may impact your ability to accept certain deliveries. When the app is busy with lots of deliveries, however, it may let you log on and work whenever you want during those times. Driving for Grubhub. Drivers for this app can often find consistent work when the area is bustling with food delivery orders. The average earnings for delivery drivers is about $11 per hour. All orders are prepaid, and the app shows pickup and drop-off locations and the total payout, including tips per order. Drivers have access to live phone support during an order. While signing up for a schedule isn't mandatory, the app heavily encourages it. If you want to remain more flexible, you can avoid scheduling altogether. Keep in mind that when you sign up, you are limited to a specific delivery zone that you must choose, and you won't be able to accept deliveries outside of that zone. Driving for Uber Eats. The food delivery side of the popular people driving app is a great way to earn extra money by working part-time. On average, drivers earn about $14.90 per hour. Base fare rates tend to be low, but drivers can keep 100% of tips. Drivers may also be eligible for a trip supplement, which shows up on the receipt. If you live in California, Mississippi or Pennsylvania, the app prohibits you from making food deliveries through it in other states. Tip: sign up with more than one food delivery app if you want to be able to jump to another app when one app doesn't have much work. Remember to keep the food protection bags in your car for each service app, so you can ensure meals stay warm or cool during the trip. Keeping customers happy may result in bigger tips. This information can be used anytime you're ready to start a successful side hustle. If you want more information like this, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell and subscribe to our channel.